Are you having trouble with the call waiting feature on your iPhone? It can be frustrating when managing multiple calls doesn't work as expected. Don't worry, here's a simple guide to help you fix call waiting issues on your iPhone. Solution 1. Turn off restriction. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Screen Time, scroll down, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now, toggle this feature off. After that, restart your iPhone and check your issues. Solution 2. Check Career Settings. Open Settings, tap General, tap About. If a career setting update is available, you'll see a prompt to update. Follow the instructions to update your career settings. Test call waiting to see if the issue is resolved. Solution 3. Eject your SIM card from your iPhone. Try to eject your SIM card from your device. Wait for some time. After that, insert your SIM card again. Now check your issues. If you still have issues, then follow the next process. Solution 4. Turn on call waiting. Open Settings, scroll down, tap App, find out Phone app. Now from this app, tap Call Waiting. Make sure the switch is turned on. If it's already on, try toggling it off and then on again. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode if prompted and confirm the reset. Make a test call to check if call waiting is now working. Here's a simple guide to fix the call waiting feature if it's not working on your iPhone. By following these steps, you can get it working again without much hassle. If you have any questions or need more help, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching.